Bring your ideas to life faster than ever using Hotshot AI. Go to hotshot.com and this is the interface you will see. This tool offers 3 generations per day, means you can generate 3 high quality videos in a single day. These are some of the high quality videos generated by this tool. Whether you want to create real life like videos or animals doing amazing stuff or even animations, this tool got you covered. Let's create a video. We are entering a prompt. We have an option to enhance prompt. If you select this option, it will automatically add more details to the initial prompt. So we are selecting this prompt. Our video is getting ready. This is the fastest text to video model that we have seen compared to other video tools that we explored in previous videos. Our video is ready. A city emerged in sea water. Yeah, the video looks very similar to the prompt that you have mentioned. One thing is missing. We also mentioned about people. That thing is missing here. So you have an option directly here to download this video. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can regenerate this video. Let's give a detailed prompt. So in this prompt, we are mentioning the subject and the dressing style. We are also mentioning the environment and action, what the subject is doing. And let's see the result. So the video is exactly what we have mentioned, like a man in a sweatshirt, blue shirt, sweatshirt, sitting in a bench in a village listening to music. The video incorporated all the details that we have included in the prompt. So there you have it, folks. In the next video, we will be comparing Kling AI and Video AI and our new tool, Hotshot AI. If you don't want to miss that video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more AI content.